Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve display on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve display on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to Clash of Clans. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app or can delete your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.